How to log into X account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to log in and sign in to your X or Twitter account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's get started. Start by launching a web browser or simply Twitter application on your device. Click on the web address bar at top of the screen. Now type in x.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will land on the sign in page of Twitter, or simply if you haven't created account, you can easily create an account clicking on sign up with Apple or create account. So now let's sign in with Google. You can easily choose your account and click on sign in button. Now click on Google and choose your Google account. And with this you can easily see that we have directed towards the home page of Twitter and logged into our account. So I hope this guide was full. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.